Hi, hello, welcome to all. This is Bhaskar Book. We are discussing 5th chapter quadratic equations from 10th class mathematics. As in the part of this chapter, in our earlier videos, we discussed some of the examples which are given before exercise 5.3. Now today, let us see some more examples which are given before exercise 5.3. Now, let us see the next example. Example 10. A rectangular park is to be designed whose width is 3 meters less than its length. Its area is to be 4 square meters more than the area of a park that has already been made in the shape of an isosceles triangle with its base as the width of the rectangular park and of altitude 12 meters. Find its length and width. So by seeing the problem, we may feel that it's too lengthy and we may feel it difficult. But if we read it carefully and if we understood the problem clearly, then we can able to solve the problem very easily. So let us try to understand this problem by going through each and every word in the given problem. So here a rectangular park has to be designed, and here the relation between the dimensions is given. So let us go through the first sentence. What is that here given? A rectangular park is to be designed whose width is 3 meters less than its length. So by reading this sentence, here we can understand we have a relation between the length and width of the rectangular park. So how is the width here? When we compare with the length of that park, the width is 3 meters less than the length of the park. That means length is 3 meters more than the width of the park. So if we assume the width with a variable, then we can able to say the length of that rectangular park using that variable. So let us assume the width of the rectangular park with a variable x. So width of the rectangular park is x meters. We are assuming the width of the rectangular park as x meters. Now, can we say the length of the rectangular park using this variable x? Yes. Since the length is 3 meters more than the width, so we can say the length of the rectangular park as x plus 3 meters. So by adding 3 to the width, we get length. So here width is x meters. If we add 3 to the width, we get length. So by adding 3 to the x, we get x plus 3. X plus 3 meters is the length of the width. So by our assumption, we have length and width of the rectangular park. And here we have one more information. That is, the area of the rectangular park is to be 4 meters more than the area of the triangular park which is already designed. So already there is an isosceles triangular park is designed, and the rectangular park that is going to be designed, its area should be 4 meters more than the rectangular park. So that means here we have the relation between the areas of rectangular park and triangular park. So for that we have to find the area of rectangular park and triangular park. So now already we have length and width of the rectangular park. So let us find out the area of this rectangular park. So what is the area of rectangular park? It is length into width. So here length is x plus 3 and width is x. So by multiplying x plus 3 into x, we get x square plus 3x square meters as the area of the rectangular park. So now we have the area of the rectangular park as x square plus 3x meters. Now let us come to the triangular park. So here we have the isosceles triangular park and its height is given. So if we see the problem, we know the height, altitude, it is given as 12 meters. So we have the height of the triangular park, and also it is given that the base of the triangular park is nothing but it is the width of the rectangular park. Here width of the rectangular park is equals to the base of the triangular park. So Here already we assumed the width of the rectangular park as x meters. So hence the base of the isosceles triangle is also x meters. So now we have the base and the corresponding height of the triangular park, so that we can able to find the area of this triangular park. So what is the formula for finding the area of the triangular park? It is half into base into corresponding height. So 1 by 2 into base is here x meters, 1 by 2 into x into height is 12 meters. And by simplifying this, 1 by 2 into x into 12, here half of 12 is 6, so we get 6x square meters as the area of triangular park. Now we have area of rectangular park and we have area of triangular park. Now let us use the relation between these two areas. So what is the relation that is given in the problem? The area of rectangular park is 4 meters more than the area of triangular park. So we can write area of rectangular park equals to area of triangular park plus 4 meters. And substituting their respective areas that we have, we get x square plus 3x equals to 6x plus 4. And by transposing the right hand side terms to left hand side, we get x square plus 3x minus 6x minus 4 equals to 0. And by simplifying this, we get x square minus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Now we get a quadratic equation in variable x. So to find the solutions of this quadratic equation, we can use factorization method or completing square method and quadratic formula. So let us use quadratic formula here to find the solutions. So before going to use the formula, first we need to compare this quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c in order to obtain the values of a, b, c. So here a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 4. Now we have a, b, c values. Let's find out the b square minus 4ac value so that we can know whether the obtained quadratic equation can have real solutions or not. So let us find out b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac equals to b is minus 3 square minus 4 into 1 into c is minus 4. So minus 3 square equals to 9 and 4 into 1 into minus 4 we get minus 16. Minus of minus 16 will become plus 16. So we get 9 plus 16 which equals to 25. And 25 is a positive real number. That means it is greater than 0. So here we get the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Hence the obtained quadratic equation has real solutions. So let us find out the solutions. X equals to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. And substituting the respective values, we get x equals to minus b is minus 3, minus of minus 3 plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac value already we get, that is 25. So square root of 25 by 2 into 1. And by simplifying it, we get minus into minus 2 equals to minus into minus 3 equals to plus 3 plus or minus, and square root of 25 is 5. 3 plus or minus 5 by 2 into 1 equals to 2. And if we take positive 5, we get x equals to 3 plus 5 by 2 which equals to 8 by 2. That means half of 8 equals to 4. So x equals to 4 is the first solution. And if we take negative 5, then we get x as x equals to 3 minus 5 by 2, and which is equals to minus 2 by 2. And by simplifying this, we get x equals to minus 1. So here we get the second solution as minus 1. So in this case, the x is a negative number which cannot be the value of x. Since we assume x as the width, and width cannot be negative. So hence we cannot take the value of x as negative number. So we cannot take x value as minus 1. So what is the value we have to take here? That is x equals to 4. So x is equal to 4 meters is the width of the rectangular park. So now we get the width of the rectangular park as 4 meters. And what is the length? Length is 3 meters more than the width. So we get 4 plus 3 which is equals to 7 meters. So 7 meters is the length of the park. So therefore the length and width of the rectangular park are 7 and 3 meters. So like this, by reading the problem carefully and by understanding each and every term that is given in the problem, we can able to solve the word problems easily. Try to solve the word problems which are given in exercise 5.3 on your own. For that, read the problem again and again till you understand the problem clearly. So this is all enough for today. Let us meet in our next video with the next example of this chapter. Till then, bye. Thank you.